You've probably seen this little thing floating around the internet lately. Everybody's calling it an AI camera, and right now it's kind of blowing up. So the second I saw, I knew I wanted to get my hands on one and actually live with it for a few days. This is the Looki L1. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Stick around because this is one of the more interesting gadgets I've gotten to mess with in a while. So here's the first thing that surprised me, and it's important. Calling this an AI camera kind of misses the point. And yeah, it has a lens, but it's not a camera the way you're picturing it. It's not a recorder, it's definitely not an action camera, and no, you're not going to be shooting crisp cinematic footage with it. After wearing it for a few days, I get why it's often called a smart sidekick. So what does a smart sidekick actually do? You wear this little gadget and it's small. It kind of just disappears on you, and throughout your day, it quietly grabs little bits of life footage. Now, it's not hovering, it's not in your face, so it just catches moments here and there while you go about your day. You don't need to worry about it at all. And then it takes all of that and turns it into stuff that's actually pretty fun and useful to have, which is where it gets pretty good. Now, setup is almost too easy. You flip on AI mode, the little light up top starts blinking, you clip it on, and then you just forget about it. That's it. You don't point it at anything. You don't need to frame a shot. You don't need to press anything. You live your day, and by the evening, it's quietly putting all of this together with like a whole batch of stuff for you to look through. And the feature everybody loses their mind over, including myself, is the comics. I actually really like the results. Looki takes the moments from your day and turns them into an actual illustrated comic that looks really good. And the detail is also phenomenal. Now I'm going to throw up a few on the screen right now so you can see what I mean, because describing it doesn't really do it justice. It pulls in the little stuff like maybe your coffee, the drive, your workstation, the random bits of your day, and it lays it out all so you can zoom in and read your day back like a little story. It's pretty cool. You can do a single day, a whole week, or build one around the theme. Maybe your meals, like a vacation trip, your work setup, whatever it is. And the part that I didn't expect, these are actually really fun to share. I actually sent one to my family. They're kind of enjoying looking at the details of what I really do on the daily, being a full-time content creator. It's a genuinely cool way to share a moment with the people you care about instead of just telling them about your day. It'll also automatically put together auto vlogs from your footage. And if you're a busy person, or let's say you're a parent, if you're someone who never has time to sit down and edit anything, this does sound kind of like a cheat code. It does the work and you just pick up what's worth keeping or posting. Now, the part that takes this from fun gadget to something I actually found useful day to day is called Pi. And yes, it's pronounced like apple pie. That's the real name. It's not me being weird or anything. Now, it stands for Proactive Intelligence Engine, and the easiest way to put it is Pi is the brain that makes Looki feel less like a gadget and more like an actual sidekick. A little cognitive companion that's helpful at the right moments. So essentially, during the day, it'll give you these small wellness nudges, reminding you to hydrate, to take a break, to get up and move if you've been parked at your desk too long. Just genuinely helpful in the moment stuff. But the part that actually impressed me was taking out in the real world. Like, for example, if you go to a museum or whatever it is and you use the Ask Looki feature, you can basically treat it like a personal tour guide. You can get a little context of what you're looking at. And same deal, again, if you're traveling somewhere new, which I plan on doing in the very near future, traveling, going on vacation, going to be using this. It turns this pocket guide that you have right on you and gives you the right info at the right time instead of you stopping to Google every little thing. But real talk, because I'm not here to just hype it up. Here's what it's not. It is not an action camera, and it's not trying to be. If you're looking for an action camera, you got to go elsewhere. If you want sharp, frame it on the wall photos, again, this is not what this is for. It's a full stop there. The whole point is capturing the moment and the feel of your day and turning that into something. The second I stopped treating it like a camera and started treating it like a sidekick, the whole thing clicked. So who's this actually for? If you're someone who wants to hold on to more of your life, the important parts of your life, your travel, the people, even the regular ordinary days. Sometimes our days are just the same. Every day is no different, right, than one another. Without having to stop and document everything yourself, then this is a really interesting little thing, because there are those interesting things that happen throughout our day that we may forget later on. Busy people, parents, content creators, anyone who's curious about AI doing something that's actually useful for you.
And viewers like you can simply just click on the link to enjoy 20% off.
And that's it. That's the Looki L1. Drop a comment down below and let me know where you land on this one. Would you wear one, or is it a little too futuristic for you? I'm kind of curious on your thoughts about this. That's been it for me. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to superman that like button. Comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. And I'll catch you all in the next one.